hey guys, I'm going to share something with y'all. And I told you a couple weeks ago, I said, I'm going to order one of those. And I didn't know where it was, how to find it, or what I needed to use it. So what I figured I need to use it is I'm getting out my Silver Schnitt 4000. We're going to pull this off. So I got my Silver Schnitt 4000. Guys, I ordered this and I'm going to share it with you. Right there. That's it. You know what this thing is called? It's called the Afterburner. You know, so an afterburner to me means more power. So I'm hoping that maybe this will give us, let me see, hang on, let me reach this. I think those of you that use a pistol grip cutter, I believe that you're going to find that this in your hand, this little thing right here, and I'm going to tighten this up just like that. I'm going to try and keep my cutter straight. And you can hear it just like that. And you don't have to torque it down because it's not moving. So what this does is it allows your hand to lay right there just like that. Now I still am using my fingers the way I normally do. But wow, when you, let me get another cutter. This is, you guys know what cutter this is. This is the one that stays in my pocket. So this is how you normally hold your cutter. Okay? So what this does, y'all, it's called the Afterburner. This is what this does right here, just like this. So you depress the head. Okay? I'm going to take my browsers and we're just going to browse it. Just like, my runners, and we're just going to run it. And now I've started my run, and you can see it because of the glare. See that run? I'm going to drop in right behind this, and I'm going to pull down and away, just like that. So down and away. Sneak it out, move it out of the way. But y'all, this right here, I can feel it already. I'm laying, everything is right here. This is similar to a Thompson grip, but it feels better to me. So let's try this. I'm gonna hold this down, and remember, I'm resting on that. Okay. So something else I found out that the back of this handle will do for you. Okay. So we just use our running pliers. Is this right here? The back of the handle. Okay, here we go. Turn it over, and you take it, and it'll break it for you, just like that. It acts as a pair of running pliers, just like this. So that's using the back end of this, and we're using the front end of this. Let's see. It's the cutter will take off any least amount, but it's all about, guys, it's like we've talked before, because we're just depressing the head on that cutter. Here we go. We're going to push down, depress the head. Just like that. And we're going to grab this with our running pliers. Don't ever grab it down here. See that? Or even right there. Just go in just a little bit, 1/4 of an inch, just like that, and pull down and away. Okay? All of that will help you. So we did put this on our Amazon page today. This Afterburner, and it fits any brass handled cutter.